ninth chapter, differentiation. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1B, Part 1. Today, discuss introduction of the differentiation. First, what is the definition of the differentiation? Here, differentiation definition is what? If h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x whole by h. F of x plus h minus f of x whole by h exists, then f is said to be differentiation of f. Okay, students. Here, if limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h is exist, then the f function is said to be differentiate at x. And h, here limit h is called derivative of x. Here limit x is called derivative of x. First of all, once I explain students, here limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x is exist, then f is a differentiate at x, and the limit h called the derivative of x. Limit x is called the derivative of x. The process of finding the derivative, the process of this total finding the derivative of a function is called differentiation. Here you can find in this formula by process of the finding the derivative, that is called a differentiation. This is the differentiation definition. Once again explain students, if limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h exists, then f is a differentiation at x, and the limit h tends to 0 is called the derivative of x. The process of this finding the derivative, the process of the finding the derivative of the function f is called differentiation. The process of finding the derivative can find differentiation, that is also be called first principle of derivative. This is what this formula also be called first principle of derivative. This first principle of derivative denoted with f dash x or d by dx of f of x or capital D of f of x or f of x suffix 1. You can write any one symbol. Here you can write f dash x nothing but first derivative. D by dx of f of x also be called first derivative. Capital D of f of x is also be called first derivative. F of x suffix 1 also be called, you can write first derivative. In these four symbols, you can use any one symbol, that is the differentiation, that symbol is the derivative. Then what is the first principle here? First principle, f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the first principle of derivative. This is what? This is the first principle of derivative. This first principle of derivative is very important in IP examination. This first principle of derivative using you can find the any one function derivative. This first principle using problem coming to the 4 marks in IP examination. This is very useful formula in derivative, first principle of derivative. In this first derivative having total 2 plus 4 plus 7, total 15 marks coming to the IP examination. Total how many marks coming to the IP examination? 15 marks coming to the IP examination. Here first problem by using first principle. What is that problem? Find the derivative of the following functions from the first principle, or by using first principle. What is that first problem? F of x is equal to constant. Constant you have to take any one. F of x equal to some c is taken here in brackets. C belongs to capital R. Nothing but c is a real number. What is the first principle formula? F dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x whole by h. This is the first principle of derivative formula. Which formula? First principle of derivative. What is that formula? First principle, f dash x and a derivative of f of x. Already using one more symbol is d by dx, capital D, that is all in the derivative symbols. F dash x equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the formula. In this formula, f of x value is given, f of x value is c. You get f of x plus h equal what? F of x plus h equal to also be f of x plus h. Here c is the constant function. In this constant function, you can write x value anyone. In place of x, you can write any value. You get that is also be constant. Here also we see these two values substituted in this equation. You get what? 1 plus f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h value c minus f of x value c by h. C minus c get cancelled, remaining f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, 0 by h. 0 by something value is always 0. Then f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0, 0. 0 is what here? Constant. Constant limit always constant. That's why the value of f dash x value is 0. Therefore, derivative of x is 0. This is the first formula, very important formula. What is the derivative of x? Derivative of x is 0. That is the first problem. This problem coming to the 4 marks in IP examination. First formula completed, that is derivative of x is, derivative of constant is 0. Find the derivative of the following functions from the first principle. F of x equal to x. Last problem completed, f of x equal to constant. Here f of x equal to x is there. You can write first principle, f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the formula of first principle of derivative. What is that formula? First principle of derivative. In this first principle, f dash x, f of x is given, f of x value is x. Then f of x plus h is what? F of x plus h is what? F of x plus h value is x plus h. Understood? Here in terms of x, here is x. Here in terms of x substituted x plus h, that is also be x plus h. These two values substituted in equation 1. You get 1. 1 implies f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h value x plus h minus f of x value x by h minus x plus x get cancelled. F dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, h by h get cancelled, remaining what? F dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, 1. What is the derivative of 1? 1 nothing but constant. Constant derivative is constant. You get f dash x constant here. 1 is constant. Constant derivative is 0, but constant limit is always constant. You get 1. This is f dash x. Therefore, the derivative of f of x equal to x is 1. F of x equal to x is 1. This is the next problem, that is x derivative is 1. Next problem, f of x is equal to x square. Derivative find by using first principle. Here f of x equal to x square. Here this problem, homework problem, first we can write first principle formula. F dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. In this formula, you can write this is 1. F of x is equal to x square is given. Then f of x plus h is equal to what? F of x plus h is equal to x plus h whole square. Nothing but e plus whole square, a square plus b square plus 2hx. Here f of x plus h is equal to x square plus h square plus 2hx. Here f of x equal to x square is there. You can write first principle formula. In this first principle, f of x value is given x square. F of x plus h is not given. That's why you can write in place of x plus h whole square. Nothing but x square plus h square plus 2gx. 2x, these two values substituted in the equation 1. You get f dash x value. You get f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0, x square plus h square plus 2hx. This value minus x square over by h. Here x square get cancelled. After that, simplify this one. Here this 2 term h is common. Here h get cancelled. After that, apply limit. This derivative of x square is 2x. This answer you get f dash x value equal to 2x. That is the correct one. Here some hint is given. You can use this hint to total simplify problem.